everybody. I'm Badriya Anis. I'm the founder and CEO of Grand Boulevard Online. So Grand Boulevard Online is basically a fashion and lifestyle e-commerce. We started the company actually last October. So with me, I have two other partners. So we are basically trying to be one of the most trusted and authentic branded, e-commerce marketplace in Bangladesh, which, we feel there is a lack in the market for which we have, started the marketplace. So right now we're kind of the single player in the sense, like in terms of the premium brands that's available in the market. There aren't any platform where you can actually get good authentic premium brands, and these brands are all founded by entrepreneurs in Bangladesh, and we're also we also have brands where people are forming it in Bangladesh, but the products are being brought from abroad. But whatever it is, we're trying to make sure that all the brands hold authentic products that we can give to our customers. We make sure that our quality is controlled. The products are really well quality controlled, because that's something that's an issue in the e-commerce market. So we're three founders, and we're all actually from the fashion and lifestyle market. And I'm the CEO. I'm kind of running the whole show, but I also have Shafqat Rahman and Sahar Rahman, and both of them have fashion brands. So that's how we kind of went into this zone, because we figured that there is really a gap for brands like theirs to kind of be on a platform, because people usually don't trust to buy a little premium products from random e-commerce sites. So what we found actually that that there are no trusted online platform, and also the quality and authenticity of the e-commerce platforms are sometimes not actually authentic. And we're right now trying to bring in premium brands, but also high street brands, and also we have a couple of brands which are basically international brands, and in the future we actually want to bring more international brands. So we're trying to be a platform which is holds that kind of value that people from that international brands can also be comfortable being a part of our website. So what we have done is that we have only tried to curate the brands initially. We have really taken the good authentic brands in Bangladesh, and slowly, actually in 7 months, we have touched upon over 100 brands. So right now, we have 17 international brands, and also some brands are locally available in the market. So our main intention is to be one of the leading fashion home tech online platform of Bangladesh. So we also have a gourmet line in our website, where you can see, it's called the Eat Up section, where you actually will go and find desserts. And there are also flower section where you can actually all the gourmet selection of desserts are available on our website, other than fashion and lifestyle. So we're trying to create kind of a personalized shopping experience for our consumers.